Good morning students. So welcome to all of you, class 10 students. So last class I taught you the new topic, which is sum of the first n terms. How to find out the sum of the first n terms. Earlier we know the how to find out the n terms, which is using the formula a n equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. And last class I taught you the new topic, which is how to find out the sum of the terms. So again I will introduce a new formula. It is Sn, sum of the first n terms. It is denoted by Sn equal to n by 2 twice a plus n minus 1 into d, isn't it? So now today class we solve some problems using sum of first n terms formula. So let's see how we solve this type of problems with the help of the formula of sum of first n terms. Okay, so let's see exercise 5.3 in your textbook, NCERT textbook. Question number 1 is find the sum of the following APs. How to find out the sum of the following APs? So some APs are given to you. You have to find out the sum of the terms. The first one you can see, this is a AP series 2, 7, 12 up to 10 terms. That means in this AP series 10 terms are there. Okay, we find out the sum of the all 10 terms. Okay, sum of the all 10 terms. In this given AP series 10 terms are there. We have to find out the sum of the all terms. That means sum of the 10 terms. So that means we have to find out the value of S10. Okay, so what are the things are given in here? First we can write down. So given, see, first term a equal to 2, common difference 7 minus 2 equal to 5, and n equal to 10, because since already given this AP series 10 terms only there, so n equal to 10, we have to find out the Sn equal to 1. So we know that the formula sum of first n term Sn equal to n by 2 twice a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we can put the all values. What is the value of a, what is the value of common difference, what is the value of n, we can put it here. So n10, a is 2, and 10 again b is 5. So we can similarly we can solve it, and we find out the value is S10 equal to 245. That means when you add the all 10 terms, you got 245. Okay, so this is the formula. With the use of this formula, we can easily find out the sum of the all terms. Okay, so I hope all of you understood. Next class, next video, we have to solve another problem. Okay, thank you. So now again we will see another problem from same question number 1. Another AP series. So we have another AP series I have taken, and we have to find I have to find out the sum of this term. So let's see, all of you. You can see how to find out the sum of this AP series. Okay, same question number 1, question number 1 and 4. We have to solve another. I have to solve you another problem with the help of sum of n term formula, and we have to find out the value of the sum of this term, sum of the all term. So in this AP series, it is also AP series, and in this AP series fraction term is given to us. Okay, fraction term is given to us. You can see 1 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 10, 2, 11 terms. So if in this AP series fraction terms are there, so all of you do not confuse how to find out, because this is a fraction term, and all of earlier we have to solve. This is a normal one normal number. We have number series are there, and we have to find out the sum of n terms. But in this case the fraction term is given to us, and we have to find out the sum of this AP series. So don't worry, we using the same formula, we using the same procedure, we have to follow the same procedure, we have to follow the same method, and we have to find out very easily sum of this term. So in this given AP series, what are the things are given? Same thing. So first term is given 1 by 15, and second, that means common difference we have to find out, because since it is a a fraction term, so we have to little solve is needed. So see, common difference 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15, then denominator 12 and 15 are there. We have taken LCM between 12 and 15, it is 60. Okay, so 5 minus 4, it is equal to 1 by 60. That means 1 by 60 is the common difference in this given happy series. Okay, number of terms n equal to what? It is 11, because already it is given this happy series up to 11 terms. That means this happy series only 11 terms are there, not more than 11 terms. So that's why we have taken n equal to 11. N equal to 11, and we have to find out the sum of all the terms, that is sum of 11 terms, because in this question 11 terms are there already given in this question. So that's why we have to find out the sum of 11 terms. So S11 equal to what? Same formula we can use it. We know that S n equal to n by 2 twice a plus n minus 1 into d. So already we put the value. Do not write again and again the formula S n equal to n by 2 twice a plus n minus 1 into d. Isn't it? Already we know the first term, we know the common difference, we know the term, number of terms. So that's how we can directly put the value. So S11 equal to 11 by 2 twice a means 1 by 15, n means 11, 11 minus 1 into d means 1 by 60. So directly we can put it there. So you can solve it 11 by 2, then 2 by 15 plus 11 minus 1 is 10. So 10 multiplied by 1 by 60, that means you can say it is 10 upon 60. Okay, so 0 0 cancels, so 1 by 6, 2 by 15 plus 1 by 6. Again 15 and 6 is the denominator of between these two fraction numbers. So we have taken LCM between 15 and 6. So what is the LCM? 15 and 6, it is 30. Okay, so similarly 4, this is 50 to the 30, so 2 to the 4 and 6 5 to 30, 5 on the 5, so 4 plus 5 by 30, 4 plus 5 is 9 by 30. Okay, 9 and 30 is cancellations are there, 3 3s are 9 and 3 10s are 30, isn't it? So 11 by 2 multiplied by 3 by 10. So there is no cancel between these two fractions. No numerator denominator is cancelling. So that's why we can multiply the numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. So 11 into 3 is 33 and 2 into 10 is 20. So our answer is 33 by 20. That means in this given happy series, what is the value of sum of these all terms? The sum of this given happy series, it is 33 by 20. That means sum of 11 terms is 33 by 20. When you add 1 by 1, 1 by 15 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 10, then we can do it 1 by 1 adding. So that you got 33 by 20. So if you add 1 by 1, that is would be taken more and more time. So that's why it is the easy method. That's why we have to use this formula, and we can find out the very easily what is the value of sum of this given happy series. The sum of 11 terms is 33 by 20. So some happy series fraction terms and fraction terms are there like that, like this one. So do not confuse how to find out this sum of this happy series, because there are fraction terms there. So don't worry, don't confuse it. Same formula you can use it, same method you can use it, same procedure you can do it, and you have to find out the very easily sum of the terms. Okay, so this is the process how to find out the sum of the following, because it is very easy to find out the sum of the sum of the n terms, because already it is given, first term is given, common difference is given, and number of terms also given. Because when we find out the sum of n terms, that time three things are needed. Okay, three things are needed in your hand. It is first one is what is the first term, and what is the number, how many number of terms in this given happy series, and what are the common difference. Then you can find out if you know these three things, then you can find out the sum of n terms very easily. Whatever the terms are given, the happy series does not matter it, but these three things are needed. First term you must be in your you need first term you need, then common difference you need, and how many terms in this happy series, that means number of terms the happy series is given or not. If three things are needed, three things are there, then you can find out the very easily sum of n terms. Okay, so it is these happy series fraction terms are there, so do not confuse it. It is very easily, you can do it, same procedure, same method, and you can find out the value of sum of n terms. Okay, so I hope all of you understood this particular point. If first term is given, common difference is given, and number of terms are given, then how do we find out sum of n terms? So this is the procedure. I hope all of you understood. If any doubts or any queries, then ask me. Okay, thank you.